Okay, I'm starting my egg collection at Casey from Sunshine Homestead, and I came into the pig barn, and guess what I have over here? I got 2 eggs, so 1, 2. Okay, let's go to the coops. Okay, I'm going into the first coop, got my glove in case there's some feisty hens in here. Let's see what we got. Oh, it is a full house, and they are not happy. Okay. Okay, so we got 2 eggs. There's 3, 4. We've got 5. 1. Wow. 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, oh wow, she got a whole pile.
She's mad.
We got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so we had 16. We got coming and checking the bike shed with the one bar rock like two legs. Okay, yep, we got an egg. So, okay. There we go, 17. There's 17. 18. Ooh, I got a dark egg. I wonder who that is. That must maybe have a new layer. Okay. Let's go to the other coop. I'm checking the next coop. I think actually I had, I'm trying to count, figure out where I was at. I got lost track. So, got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18. I actually have 19 on lost track. There's 20, 21. We got one over here, 22. 23, 24. I don't have my glove. See if there's any more. I think that's it. 24, and then whatever she has under her, she's gonna be nice. 4 and 25 so far. And I'll have to go check the other spot. Here, so that is 26. Came out here, we got 27. Yeah. We got a new layer. Such a pretty color. So fun. I love when I get new layers and what color they're gonna lay. That's so exciting. Would have never guessed that color. So pretty.